Okay, we're working on our science Google Slides for today.
Very short.
So, lesson 5A. Why is it pink again? Okay, it is Earth's changing landscape. So, our focus question for today, okay? Can mountains grow so tall that they reach outer space? Why or why not? Dylan and Mohammed, focus. I already asked you once. Hurry. Okay. So can the mountains grow so tall that they go all the way up to outer space?
Yes. No.
So think about that.
Maybe.
Okay, next slide. Ready? Everybody should be on this slide. We're going to start typing and writing.
Wait. I'm trying to log in. Wait, is that
Okay.
the first page?
This is the second page. The first page that we're writing in.
How?
Okay, so what have we learned so far about how mountains are built? Show me with your hands. How are mountains built?
Like this?
Show me with your hands. Good. 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 That's not how they're built. Good. Good. Okay, so now let's put that into words, okay? So use words like tectonic plates and explain their connection to mountain building. So our hands represent what things?
Tectonic plates.
Tectonic plates. What do? They
They rush into each other.
They shift. They shift, and then
forward.
they push against each other.
And then it can make an earthquake.
Okay,
And then
focus. Okay, let's put it into words. Ready? So, mountains are built by... Oops, that's not high school mountains. Start writing. Good. Mountains are built by the force of typing.
What's the thing called?
To science. Tectonic.
Oh my god. I need help.
Raise your hand. Thomas, write it down, please. Mountains are built by the force of two tectonic plates shifting which way?
Against each other. Against each other. Against part and side by side. Right?
But the ones that form mountains.
They're shifting the right direction. They're shifting together.
They're shifting together. And the land surface keep going. Begins to pile up. Period. Elian, tapa boca and start typing. Come on. Thomas, you got it?
No.
Put your hands down. Noah, got it?
No.
Okay, mountains are built by the force of two tectonic plates shifting together, and the land surface begins to pile up. once you have that, then go on to the next slide, please.
Oh, okay. And then what does it call? Wait.
Okay. Thank you, Dylan, for being ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Can I please flip up? Can I please flip up?
Thank you, Alejandro, for being ready. And Leon, you ready? Okay. Next slide. So now, in this lesson, we are going to think about what happens to mountains as they get taller. We're going to do several investigations to explore that. So what ideas do you have about our focus question? Remember, our focus question was, can mountains get so tall that they get into outer space? Do you think yes or no? That they reach outer space, Ariana?
No, they can't because it would start falling apart because of the gravity.
Okay. So Ariana says no
And we would be in deep
because of gravity. Okay, any other ideas?
We would be in really big trouble if that happened. What? If it fell apart.
Okay, there's one idea. Turn and talk to your partner and see if we can get some other ideas here. Either yes or no. We're still just talking about ideas. Dylan, that's not what that's for. 3, 2. Thank you. Okay, talking to a partner. You have 2 minutes. So give them your idea.
No.
Can mountains grow so tall that they reach outer space?
It's gonna fall apart into space. And some pieces might go down and fall down onto the earth. Some pieces might kill a billion people. Some pieces might.
Thank you, Bo and Ariana, for sharing with the partner. Dylan, turn to somebody. Find somebody.
This would be the small earth. This would be the big. And it will fall
Good,
down.
Noah. Okay.
Did I get close up? Why?
All right. Back over here. Sounds like everybody's just about done. I guess we only needed like 1 minute.
I thought that timer was just on.
Okay. What were some other ideas? Yes or no? Can mountains get so tall that they reach outer space? Raise your hand.
No.
Okay. Why not? So Ariana had said because of gravity, so gravity will push the mountains down.
Yes.
Okay, any other ideas?
No, because space is all the way up.
Outer space is too tall? Okay. Outer space is too high. Oops. Ledger?
Can I please have a Band-Aid? This is really... Oh, I got you.
Okay.
I just happened to...
Any other ones we want to keep or write down? Okay, make sure you get these in. Ready? 5, 4. Next one. 3, 2, 1.
This computer. Forward.
All right.
We got a problem. We have a problem. That is a big one. It looks like a staple, but it's higher. This was a snap. All ripped off because of the sun. Look at that.
Maybe don't touch it. You need to show.
See?
Go sit down. You need to show mom when you get home. Go sit
It
down.
was like jello. I'm allergic to bees too.
Okay.
It wasn't a bee sting.
Okay, ready? Back over here.
It was
3.
a mosquito bite.
Dylan, back over here. 2,
I've gotten stung under my finger.
1. Yes, Ariana?
Something I got stuck on my middle finger.
Okay.
Everyone, be quiet and focus on your work.
Ready? Dylan, put that down. Elian. Okay, so now with a partner, observe these two photos together. Okay, so this picture was taken in 1999. This picture was taken in 2014. So look closely at the boulder and at the tree. You're going to talk with a partner for 2 minutes. So if you need to walk over to somebody, go ahead and go. Ready? Go.
The roots just
Walk over to a partner.
Because then you can see the roots in there. A little bit of moss.
Melanie, who are you going to go to? Nobody. Thank you, Bo.
So this was the rock and perfect this, then the roots get erosion. Cracks. Because of roots. Yeah, see, like, look. See, if you look on this image, you can see that. So the roots will go under, they'll be really big, and then they'll come out of the side. These, yeah, and there's some of those that right there.
So you're looking at the questions? Okay.
Oh, I have a really, really good answer. Same with me, because we were partners. But we sing so easily.
Okay, 40 more seconds. Okay, finish up your last thought and go back to your desk.
27.
Okay, 20 seconds. You almost done?
No.
Noah, Elian, almost done?
15.
Okay, Ledger and Ariana, what did your group say?
Oh, can I please speak first? Because I know what you're going to say, and I at least want some good credit. So we were saying how the roots were going through the rock, and it was just like with slide. Hey, I said that first. But I was gonna say it too. Where roots will come under the sidewalk and like make the sidewalk form like a small mountain and like bumps, and it happened at right. Okay, you say what you want to say now.
Okay, Ariana.
Since nature is a lot stronger than cement, rocks, and almost everything, it is stronger than everything. It grows on like to the outside of the rock, because obviously it can't just go around the rock. So since it's so strong, it makes the rock crack, and then it just keeps growing.
Okay, so I like that. Noah?
I have a question. Was this taken in the same exact place?
Yes.
Oh, then the boulder moved back.
The boulder moved back.
No, it's because it was taken further away.
Yeah, it just depends on where the person was standing.
Oh.
But it is the same place.
The tree grew bigger, and the tree's roots went into the rock's cracks. No, the crack. Oh, and also water is surrounding the rock. Yeah, and there's no surrounding the rock on both of them. No. Yeah. No, it's only on this side. No. Now it's on this side. Look. No, look.
Okay. Anything else? Okay, so we noticed that the crack is bigger in this one than in this one, right?
Yeah.
And the tree is pushing so much that it's breaking through the boulder as well. Okay. Bo?
I actually don't think that rock is a boulder. I think it might be a petrified tree.
The whole thing is a petrified tree.
Rock.
No. That would be one big tree.
Okay, anything else?
Wait, but he's right.
No,
I mean, he has a point.
I mean, it is growing moss over here. I don't know. Okay, let's go on to the next slide. So now let's answer those two questions. Ready? So what has happened to the boulder and the tree in the years between 1999 and 2014? So that's about 15 years. What happened with the boulder and what happened with the tree? Ariana?
Well, the boulder keeps getting more and more cracks, and the tree keeps on growing taller and bigger.
Okay. The boulder, the crack on the boulder, or the crack in the boulder, is getting bigger.
And the tree is also getting bigger.
Oh, and oops. Okay, typing it in.
Oh, great.
And oh my goodness, the tree is also growing and getting bigger.
Oh my god, bro. I hate this whole
Period. Okay. Anything else for the first part?
No, I think we're good. You so
Okay. What about the next one? Your pencil's under your chair, Dylan. What do you think it will look like in another 50 years? So 50 years from right now, from 2014. What do you think it would look like then? Know what?
It will be a tiny mountain.
The boulder will turn into a tiny
Yeah,
mountain.
because it's in the.
Well, it would be on top of a tiny mountain. No, I bet that because the boulder's not gonna. I'm really good at conclusion.
Me too.
So, shh, raise your hand and wait quietly and patiently. Okay, Noah, what were you saying?
The boulder might be on top of a small hill or mountain. Who knows?
Oh, okay. So the boulder will go higher in elevation if it's growing on top of a mountain, or if it's on a mountain.
It's in the river.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ariana.
Yes. The boulder would completely fall apart, and a huge tree will grow in the middle of the broken pieces. And I think that because so far, I mean, in the pictures that was taken in 2014, the crack got bigger and the tree is getting taller a bit.
Okay, so the boulder will break into two pieces.
Do you see what I see?
You think? You think?
Ledger.
So
Elian.
I think that the boulder coming out is maybe a tectonic plate just like coming out of the world. Like a small piece. What?
Like, he means like that there's the boulder, there are like tectonic plates going away from each other.
Or like one coming up.
That's a tree.
Okay,
Forming a mountain.
I get what you're saying. It's forming a mountain. Okay.
How is
I just think we need more evidence to say that. Okay.
How will the boulder form a mountain?
Okay, so any other ideas? I do like Ariana's.
You know what? You're really killing me, Smalls.
Okay, comments to
I'm not
yourself.
small, you're small.
Comments to yourself. 3,
Still.
2, 1. Okay, so the boulder will break into two pieces because the crack keeps getting bigger, right? What do you think will happen to the tree?
It'll be huge.
The tree will continue to grow.
I
Period.
think it would probably break. Because if lightning strikes it, then yes.
No.
Okay, good, Thomas.
Wildfire.
Dylan. Yes, Leon.
And once it's on a rock, it might die because. Like, cool. Can't soak up water. The roots are stuck in the rock.
Okay, move on to the next slide. Ready?
They eat so easily fast.
Okay.
This is the last page.
Okay, so now we're looking at these 4 pictures. Okay, what do you notice about these photos? How? Oh, I'm reading. My turn. My turn. Elian,
I don't have that one.
you don't? I see it. It's on the back. Yeah, right. I just saw it, Dylan. Okay. Ledger. Okay, so let's compare these 4 photos. So how are they similar to the photo of the tree and the boulder? What do you think is happening? And how does that relate to mountains? Okay? So talk about those things with a different partner for 2 minutes. Talk about the 3 questions. Ready, go. So how are all 4 of these pictures the same?
Because the sidewalk was made and someone decided to plant someone decided to plant a tree right
Okay,
next to
what
the
do those
sidewalk.
pictures have to do with?
What are you gonna say?
And someone decided to plant a
How are they all
tree in the
related to
middle of
mountains?
stairs.
Do you think are people getting? Just imagine how little water it gets. Wait, what?
No, the trees start out small, but then they grow into big things and destroy the rock.
Okay,
It's my turn.
not yet. How many more slides do we have? Oh, it's the last one, so we'll just talk about it, okay? But yeah, you can turn them. Okay, back over here. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so now, first question. What do you notice about all 4 of these pictures? What do they have in common? Dylan?
So they first start small.
What starts small?
I mean, the cracks on the floor.
The cracks are small.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Anything else? Noah?
The cracks are coming because the trees are going under the ground.
What is underground of the trees?
Roots.
The roots. Okay, so the roots of the trees are causing the cracks. Okay?
Because they're moving like all the time. The roots.
Roots are growing all the time, right? Every single second.
Don't roots move more than the tree?
Uh-huh. And they get super big. Okay, Dylan.
They get back.
Okay, so what does this have to do with also, how are they related to mountains?
Some roots will even eat food. Yeah, that was our roots.
Okay, do you think the same thing happens to the trees in the mountains?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so what do you think is a reason for why mountains cannot get so tall that they reach outer space?
The trees will make them break.
The trees, the landscape on the mountains, okay? All right.
But also gravity.
Can we
And
play a game
gravity.
now?
Okay, that is all of our science for today. Go ahead and click turn in.
Yeah.
Make sure you answered all of the questions.
Can we play a game then?
Yeah.
There's Kappa.
What is going on? Hold on. Hold on.
To do the planner.
Here it is. There we go. Okay.